Hi, this is Paul from Sewell Direct. Today I'm going to be showing you how to terminate our 2-conductor ghost speaker wire with our new improved adhesive. Note that this should usually be done before you install the ghost wire onto the wall, if possible. For this we'll need 3 things: scissors, a razor blade or another knife, and a small flathead screwdriver. First step is to remove about 1 inch of the adhesive backing on the back of the ghost wire. And this is easier if you have fingernails, but we'll make do. There we go. And that's about 1 inch. Now we want to remove the exposed white covering that we see. So I'm just going to cut along the edges of the conductors. Now we are left with 2 copper conductors. We want to turn it over and remove the white covering. And you'll notice this is not stuck to the copper in any way. We'll just cut that off. We'll do the same for the other conductor. And you'll notice we're left with 2 nice, clean copper conductors. So we want to turn this over. We're going to fold over the copper onto the adhesive 2 to 4 times, depending on how much copper you left exposed. And I'm going to do it twice. There we go. Now we have our 2 copper conductors, and the next step is to insert it into the terminal block. So you can see the slits in the terminal block, and we'll insert the copper into those slits. Should go in pretty easily. Now we just need to screw down the screws. And this holds the copper tight into place. Now all that's left to do is to clean the surface where you want to install the ghost wire really well with soap and water is preferred, and then remove the adhesive and pull the ghost wire tight as you're unrolling it in order to help prevent wrinkles, and then install the ghost wire on the wall. And then the terminal block can be attached firmly to the wall with a screw if desired. Thanks for watching.